Today we're going to cover how to set up the MSR Hubba Hubba backpacking tent. The MSR Hubba Hubba tent is known for its durability, lightweight design, and spacious interior. So whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a first-timer, this tent offers a perfect combination of comfort and performance. So here we go, here is how to set it up. First, unpack your tent and spread it out flat on the ground. Next, stake down your tent corners tightly. Then assemble the primary tent pole and insert the tips of the hub poles into the corresponding grommets at the corners of the tent. Attach the clips on the tent body to the poles to form the basic structure. Assemble the ridge pole into the two grommets at the midpoint over the tent. Then lay the rainfly over the tent with the shiny part of the logo facing down. Align the vestibules with the door of the tent and attach the grommets near the vestibules to the mid pole. Finally, attach the rainfly loop, stake down the vestibules, and add any additional guylines as needed for additional protection from the elements. Setting up the MSR Hubba Hubba takes about 5 to 10 minutes in total, but can be done faster with practice. Taking down the MSR Hubba Hubba is a breeze and typically takes between 3 and 5 minutes. So there you have it, a complete guide to setting up the MSR Hubba Hubba backpacking tent. Backpacking is all about enjoying the outdoors, and mastering your tent setup will make your trips more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more camping tips and gear reviews.